Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Putting on the Owlet Dream Sock correctly is the best way to get accurate sleep data for your baby. Start by picking the right sock size based on your child's weight. Each kit comes with different sizes for a perfect fit. Look at the fabric to see if it is for the left or right foot. This is clearly marked on the bottom of the sock. Slide the sensor into the small opening on the fabric. Make sure the sensor windows are clear and aligned with the holes. Place the sock on your baby's foot. Position the notch about 1 centimeter behind the pinky toe. This placement is key for the sensor to work well. Wrap the toe strap around the foot and secure it. Next, wrap the ankle strap around the back of the heel. Fasten it on the side of the foot. The sock should be snug but not too tight. You should be able to fit one finger under the strap easily. Check that the sensor is touching the skin firmly. If the sock is too loose, you might get false alarms. If it is too tight, it could irritate your baby's skin. Look at the base station to ensure it shows a green light. This means the sock is reading correctly. You can also check the app on your phone for a live status update. Always make sure the foot is clean and dry before putting the sock on. Avoid using lotions or creams under the sensor area. Now your baby is finally ready for a safe and restful night of deep sleep.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.